Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I will show you around in Cueva del Tesoro or treasure cave located in Rincon de la Victoria in Malaga, Spain. Meanwhile, if you are new here, maybe you can subscribe and give me a like to encourage me to make more video and help my channel grow. Thank you in advance. Here you can see is the Virgin Chamber. It was discovered by Manuel Laza on October 12, 1951, the day of the patron saint Our Lady of the Pillar.
The natural habitat of Treasure Cave. Thank you very much.
Here is Pozo del Suizo, named after Antonio de la Nari, a famous treasure hunter who died in the cave.
What are you looking there? Are you looking for a treasure?
I'm just looking.
No, pasar.
There are some sites inside the cave. Is allowed only with a guided tour.
Look at that.
We're entering now to the Sala della Gilla. Here we could highlight the rocky eagle-shaped formation, as well as other funny formations, and also underline the presence of marine sediments. I hope you can still see because it's a bit dark here. I have to use the flashlight of my phone. The cave formed undersea back during the Jurassic period. The ocean current and waves eroded its first corrado. Now you can observe the uniquely designed borders of the stone, the many hollows, and 1,000 strange formed by the water. Some water accumulated comes from the dripping above. In the 20th century, Manuel Laza found the Phoenician sanctuary of the goddess Noctiluca in this hall, based on the discovery of a batylus, a rocky formation from natural origin that was used to represent the goddess on the earth, together with a bicorn altar where he also found remains of ashes that belonged to animals. The goddess Noctiluca is the goddess of the Mediterranean Sea, and she was worshipped from the prehistoric times until the ancient times in the whole Mediterranean basin. I am now entering in this narrow passage going to the volcano room. It is called like that due to the slight temperature increase that we can feel inside, as it is the deepest hall we can visit in the cave. A legend exists says that the treasure cave is connected to the sea by way of one of each one hollows.
Ooh, amazing.
Here in Volcano Room is the deepest chamber of the treasure cave, and the temperature is gone down because of lack of air. I'm now showing you the down part of the volcano room. The ground continue 150 meters further, but it's not accessible to the public.
What's in here? There's there's a lot of cave going on here.
Look at this rock, looks like a head of the alien. You can comment if you see the same.
Formation.
The Treasure Cave, or Cueva del Tesoro, is Europe's only cave of marine geological origin. That can be visited as the other two are located in America and Asia.
It's the same temperature year round in here.
Look, there's a water here.
Yeah.
Where is that come from? From here. This is the one where the water come from. Also here, water from the treating. Yeah, there's a tree there. You see here, look,
Right, time.
there's a, look here, there's a water here.
Yeah.
You see?
And a piece of quartz now been eroded.
The various cavities and round shapes in the cave are proof of its formation, its most recent and beautiful flow thrones.
El aire y alguna otra formación divertida que tenemos aquí. Porque, aparte del águila, tenemos otras cosas muy interesantes en esta sala. Como por ejemplo, esto que tengo aquí sobre mi cabeza. Como veis, aquí sobre mi cabeza, esto que tengo sobre mi cabeza se llama un espeleotema.
This is called speleothem. Is a geological formation by mineral deposits that accumulate over time in natural caves. The cave's great historic and cultural value is due to prehistoric art, the materials from the Upper Paleolithic and the Solutrine period, as well as the Neolithic pottery remains found in it.
Oh, I heard on the water.
Here in Sala Marco Crasso is the hall used as a
I
shelter
heard
by Marcus Crassus in 86 BC for
water.
8 months when he was running away from the prosecution. That was ordered by Marius and Cinna as it was documented by Plutarch's book Parallel Lives.
That's what it's basically like pitch black. Like dark. Or if it's flooded completely, you've got
Sala de los Lagos.
We are now about to enter the Sala de los Lagos.
I go, there's a waterfall.
Sorry, but there's no waterfalls here in Sala de los Lagos. Sala de los Lagos is the biggest and most spacious halls in the cave. And there we can see geological formation, such as the eccentric stalactites that have been shaped by freshwater filtration. Here you can see that there are 3 lakes in the hall. The 2 are fresh water, By the way, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe if you are new here, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first to know my latest video. Thanks in advance. Here we can find a further number of stalactites, thanks to see bed of fresh water through the limestone. The stalactites are white in color and very similar to the corals that one find in the sea.
Like a salt. It's not like a salt, no? Is that a salt?
Please comment if you know what is this salt like. Hope you enjoy watching my video, and just comment what I miss or need improvement to help my channel grow. Thank you very much that you came to up until the end of this video. Hope to see you again.